So, hello, those who join now, please give your name in chat box so that we can have a good conversation. We can discuss lots of problems and we can find the solutions. And today we are going to have an interesting session on squares and square roots. Okay, dear ones. So, come on, those who join now, give your name. Hi, yes, hello, Danshika. How are you, Danshika? Hello, I'm Danshika. Yes. Hello, Vaishnavi. Vaibhav Limkar. I could remember all of your names. Hello, Vaishnavi. Good afternoon, dears. Good afternoon. It's a great afternoon, right? Very good. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Tanmay. Hello, Tanmay. Even I could remember you well. How are you all? How are you all? I'm Vaishnavi. Yes. How about you? Yeah, thank you. I'm doing well. Thank you, my dear one. Mm, Prachi. Hello, Prachi. Good afternoon, my dear ones. So, yes, we can start now. We know, right, each other. Again, before moving to the session, let me introduce once again myself, Dhanya, and I'm the teacher at Me and Math. Okay? What does our session today? Any idea of what we are going to learn today? Come on, any idea of what we are going to learn today? Who are you, Nightboat? Tanmay, it is just a message that from our end, okay, we are just welcoming you and we are greeting you that you are happy to see that you are joined with us. Squares and square roots. Very good. Great. Okay, squares and square roots. Yes, squares and square roots. Okay, so before moving to the session, welcome to Me in Math. Okay, okay, and see, listen here. Area of a square field is 80 to 44. 80 to 44 by 729. What is the length of each side? Okay, area of a square field is 80 to 44 by 729. This is the given area. And they were asking for the length of a field. What is the length? How we will connect to length? Square root of simple equation. Yes, we are going to learn something about square roots only, but not of simple equations. Okay, my dear ones. Okay, squares and square root is one of the easiest topic that we, the Me and Math team, will help you out. Okay, so we can enjoy our learning here. Come on, dear ones. Any idea? Area of a square field is given and they were asking about the length. How we can compute length? How we can compute length? Come on. What is the area formula? Area of a square equals to? Area of square equals to? Come on. Area of square equals to? Multiply by 4. If we multiply by 4, that is the side of the square. Let us perimeter. Right? That is boundary. Here we were discussing something about area. The amount of a space occupied. Right? Perimeter is the one which discuss about boundary. Okay? That is perimeter. Like if we have an how to say the perimeter, the space or boundary of the ground, that and all perimeter, right? But what is area? Area is the amount of a space occupied. Whatever the space is occupied, that is said to be area. Side into side. Very good, Danshika. Side into side. So here we are going to use that concept only. Area of a square equals to side into side. Which means if I find one side, that will be equal to my length. Right? Hello Adarsh, happy to see you here. Okay, so area of a square equals side into side. Any doubt still is? So if we take, I know my area here, that is 244 by 729. And side into side is nothing but side square, right? If we multiply the same 2 times, that is square, isn't it? 8.96, ma'am. Very good. How we got this answer that we can discuss here. Very good. Keep it up, Tanmay. So, area equals to side square. So, before I'm going to find the side, let me rewrite this mixed one into the improper one. Let the side be, let the length or the side of a square be x. So, I'm taking x square equals to 80 times 244 by 729, which means 80 times 729 plus 244 divided by 729. Come on, multiply this value and give me the answer. Come on, dear ones. Multiply these value. 80 times 729. What is 80 times 729? Come on, I'm waiting for your response. 80 times 729. Yeah, hi. So, 58320 plus 244 divided by 729. Now we can add these value. We used to get 58564, right? Divided by 729. Yes. So now this is x square. I want only x. When I'm taking a power square to the opposite side, it turns to its reciprocal as 1 by 2. Which means x equals square root of 58564 times 729. Now, if we find the square root of 58564, it ends with 4. So obviously, the square of the number starts with 2. Isn't it? So, we can find that now. 58564. 58564. Very nice to meet you. Yeah, please focus on the session. Come on, Tanmay. Divide by 2. Side into side. Yes. So, 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4 again. 18, 8 and 2. Again 2 table. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Then which table we can take? Come on. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, balance 1. 6, 4, 1. 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 16. If we take 7, will it work? Come on. So the square root of 58564 is nothing but square root of, okay, I will write it here. Okay, x is equal to square root of 58564 divided by square root of 729. That is 242 by 27. Okay, 27 multiplied 27 times is 729, and 242 multiplied by 242 is 58,564. Okay, now if we divide this, we used to get our answer. Okay, it is 8.96. Okay, so what is the length of the side? The length of the side is 8.96 meter. Any doubts here? Those who are having any doubts, please give your message in. Yeah, very good, Danshika. It's very happy to see that you people are working with me. Very good, keep it up. 8.96 meter is answer, I think so. Yes, Tanmay, you are right. Your answer is right. Come on, all others participate. We are waiting for your response. Ma'am, your voice is echoing. Okay, who is that IZ boy YTMC? Please do introduce yourself. Prachi, yes. Very good. That's my answer. Yeah, very good. So, my dear ones, am I clear whether my voice is clear for you people? Is there any glitch? Could you understand of what I'm talking? Come on, my dear ones, waiting for your response so that we can move to the next question. Yes, ma'am. Okay, those are clear. Put thumbs up in front in your chat box so that we can move to the next question now. Come on, dear ones. It's echoing. Okay, for everyone, is it echoing? Is it not clear? Voice is echoing. Oh my god. Why? A little. Okay, I think it will be sorted out soon. Okay, my dear ones? Not much. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear ones, is it clear? Shall we move to the next question? Ma'am, we can understand what you're speaking, but your voice is echoing. Yeah, fine. But I think it will be okay now. Now, what is the approximate value of 15.01 the whole square times square root of 730? How we can find this? What is the approximate value? So here the question is very clear. We need to find the approximate value. What is mean by the word approximate? What is mean by the word approximate? Yes, what is mean by the word approximate? Come on, approximate. Approximate is nothing but the nearest value, right? Approximate is nothing but the nearest value. So, I need to find the nearest value of 15.01 the whole square times square root of 730. Okay, so 15.01 the whole square times square root of 730. Right? Yes, estimate or round off. Very good. Aship Gupta. Aship Gupta, what is your good name? IC boy YTMC. Please say your good name. Atish Sharma. Very good, Atish. Very good. Okay, so now we can continue. 15.01 is nothing but the nearest value of 50. As the question is very clear of approximate, we can start with approximate. That is taking the rounding off to the nearest value. So here I will be taking 15 square times square root of 730. Aship Gupta. Okay, very good. Ma'am, 6125 is the answer. Okay, we can check with our answer. Okay, so what is 15 square? 15 square is nothing but 15 times 15. That is 225. And square root of 730, 730 is nothing but, what is the value? 27.01. Again, I am going to estimate this value. That is 225 times 27. Yeah, Danshika, your answer is right, but it is without approximation. We can approximate, right? So we can start getting the nearest value. Okay, my dear. So, 225 times. No, it's wrong. Why it is wrong? Yes, Tanmay, please do respond. Why it is wrong? What is square root of 730? Come on, check with your value. Square root of 730. What is square root of 730? 27.018. Like this we used to get, right? As it is very clear, we can take the approximate value. It is right. Okay, my dear one. How we can find the square root? If we take a long division method, 730, we can group it, right? So, first 7 is not a perfect square. Less than perfect square is 2, right? So, 2 times 2 is 4. And if I subtract, I used to get the remaining as 3. Multiply the quotient here 2 times, that is 4. 4 in, now we can take this 30 also, right? So, now 46 times 6 is 6 36. 6 4 24 plus 3 27. Okay, 47 times 7 is 7 7 is 49. 7 4 is 28. 29 30 31 32. 329. It is the nearest value, right? So, I am replacing this unknown by 7. Remaining 1.00. Because for 1 point, as it is a square, we should add 2 zeros. So, the square root is 6125. Vaibhav, no. See, Vaishnavi, see, you people are right, I could understand. But the thing, read the question properly. The question is to find the approximate value. We don't want the accurate value. We can get the approximate value. Right? That is the reason we are taking here the approximate value. So, if we take an approximate value, 27 times into 2, it will be 54. Now, I need to fill this dash. That will be 0. Right? Then we can get to our value 8 times. Okay. So, if we take like this, we used to get 27.01. This is the way that we used to find the square root, right? Using long division method. So, if I take the 27.01 to the nearest value, that will be 27. Is this clear now? Why we are taking as 27? Because we need only approximate value. Okay, my dear ones. So, 225 times 27. 7 5 is 35 remaining 3. 7 2 is 14 plus 3 17 remaining 1. 7 2 is 14 plus 1 15. 5 2 is 10. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 2 is 4 again. 5 7 0 6. So, what is the right answer? The right answer is 6075. Check with your calculation, my dear ones. What does we are focusing? We, the me and math, first we should understand the questions properly. Okay, my dear ones. Please do read the question. Kindly read the question. So, the square root is 6125. Please check again. We are finding the answer only after approximation. Only after estimating. Only after rounding it off. So, our answer will be 6075. Yes, Tanmay, you're right. But we need to get only approximate value, the estimated value. So, we are getting a 6075. Is it okay? Is it clear? Come on, my dear ones. Come on. Any doubts so far? Please do post your doubts. If it's not clear, I will help you out. Come on. Kindly give the reason why you are not clear. Okay? We the Myanmar team is there to help you. Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah, very good, Tanmay. This is the reason because we are focusing on approximate value, not the accurate value. Hope it is clear. If it is clear, just put thumbs up. My dear Vaishnavi, please do get in touch. If you take the whole square, there comes a point value. So the point value increases the answer, which is seems to be one is accurate and the other one is approximated. Here we can take both as approximated. Sudarshan Kumar. Yes, Sudarshan Kumar, please do say your good name. So the answer here is means approximate we have to find 25 times 27. Yes, accurately we need to find only 225 times 27. Yes, Danshika is clear. How about others? Come on, my dear ones. See, even if you find any doubts, we are here, we the Myanmar team will help you out. Those are clear. Please do make a note of it. These are all very good questions, right? Which will help us to prepare for Olympiad levels. Come on. Noted. Thank you. So hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Shall we do the next question now? Is it clear? Now the question is, if one member of a Pythagorean triplet is 2m, then the other two members are. What does this Pythagorean triplet means? What does the word Pythagorean triplet says? So it is 6075. Yes, exactly, that is 6075. Yeah. Now we can move to the next question. What does the word Pythagorean triplet states? Come on, give me the answer. Got it? Next question, please. Yes, we are focusing on next question. What is Pythagorean triplet? What is Pythagorean triplet? Ma'am, Kritik here. Wow, very good, Kritik. Very happy to see you here. Roast EFR. So it should be a square plus b square equals c square. Exactly. Very good, Ashraf. Very good. Pythagorean triplet says for the right angle triangle. Okay. For the right angle triangle, there will be three integers. Let the integers be a, b and c. Okay. We can choose three integers as a, b and c. Let the three positive integers be. I am very concerned that it should be positive. Second option. Yes, we can check with our answer. Let the three positive integers be. A, B and C. What does this A, B and C says? They are triplets. Three numbers. What does the three numbers says? Ma'am, 3 digit with same justifying the answer. Exactly. Very good. So, which means I can say C square should be equal to the sum of square of other two sides. If I take a right angle triangle, the longest side is said to be the hypotenuse, which I am taking here as C, and the other two sides as A and B. Okay, so if I say A square plus B square equals C square, then this is said to be Pythagorean triplet. Okay, my dear ones. First, before moving to the problem, we should have a deep understanding what the concept says. Only then we can move to the answer. Okay, this is said to be Pythagorean triplets. Yes, m square plus 1 comma m square minus 1. Very good, very good. Yes, so now we can start working the problem. If one member is 2m, if one member is 2m, then which other two satisfies the given option, right? If I add these two, m plus m square plus 1 doesn't result in 2m the square, right? So this is not our answer. Like this, if we take a part of it, Pythagorean triplets, which one satisfy m square plus 1 plus m square minus 1 equals 2m square, right? 2m square. Here also we have 2m. So 2m and 2m, which satisfies the Pythagorean triplet. Option B. Yes, it is option B. Hope it is clear. If one member is 2m, the other two members will be m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Okay, my dear ones. Yeah, very good. I'm getting a good response. Very good. Come on, my dear ones. If you find any difficulty in understanding, please let me know. Come on. If you find any difficulties in understanding, kindly let me know. Okay, hope it is clear now. We can move to the next question. Next question. Find the value of cube root of the square root 0.000064. Yeah, thank you. The whole power 5. The whole power 5. We need to find the value. Come on. How we can find the value? Share your ideas. We can work it together. Ma'am, I don't understood how to find the square number. Yes, Danshika. To find the square number is very simple. If it is the whole square, I will explain you in this question. Okay, my dear. Just listen this question. Even if you find any difficulties, you ask me. Okay, Dama. See, the question is cube root of square root of 0.000064 the whole power 5. Zero point triple zero three two. Very good. Kritik got the answer. We can check whether it is right or wrong. Now we can solve this problem together. Okay. Very good. Tanmay also got the answer. Very good. See, first to find the square root. Yeah, very good. Yes. Very good. This is how. Even then, we don't know. We should share our responses. Right? Only then we come to know. Learning makes very perfect only when we are doing mistakes. Okay. So, 0.000064. First, we can take this number alone. Okay. So, if I take 0.000064. Okay. How many numbers are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? There are 6 numbers. So, if we consider the 6 numbers, we can rewrite it as 64 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear how we wrote this? Is it clear of how we wrote this? Yes, there are 6 numbers, right? This is the easiest way to rewrite the decimal. Whatever the numbers are placed after the decimal point, add that many zeros to the denominator. Okay, rather than using a method, we should be very clear with the concept. That's it, right? Yes, so 64. Now, I'm just replacing this decimal in form of a fraction, which makes my problem bit simple. Okay, so cube root of square root of 64 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole power 5. Yes, very good. Now, we need to remove the square root. To remove the square root, I need to find the values of a 64. Right? So, to get the values of a 64, if we find the prime factorization method, 32, 2 table, 16, 2 table, 8, 2 table, 4, 2 table, 2, 2 table, 1. Okay. So how many 2's are appearing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can write cube root of square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 divided by, like this. I can write 10 sixes, 10 0 6. There are 6 zeros, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole power 5. Danshika, is it clear how we are rewriting? Why we are rewriting? That we can do in next step. Okay, Dhamma? So, what does the square root says? Square root says for two same numbers. This is square. If there is no number under the root, that is square root. Okay. For the two same numbers, we can take one number out of the square root. If I take like that, cube root will remain as it is. For 2 2's, 1 2. Again for 2 2's, 1 2. Again for 2 2's, 1 2. Okay, ma? Divided by 10 into 10 into 10. Now see, our square root got removed. Now we are going to remove this cube root. If square removes 2 number, then cube removes. If for the square root, if it removes 2 number, we can take 2 numbers out of the square root, means for cube root, how many numbers we can take? For cube root, how many numbers we can take? Come on, give your response. I'm waiting for your response. 3. That's great. 3. So, here I have 3 2's. So, I'm taking 1 2 as common. For 3 10's, I'm taking another 10 as common. So, 2 by 10, the whole power 5. See how simple it is? Yes. Thank you, Kritik. I got a lot of 3. Yes, I do understand. Thank you. Yes. So now see, for 3 2's I took 1 2 out, and for 3 10's I took 1 10 out. Okay. Now our square root and cube root are removed. Now it is very simple to complete the problem, right? What is 2 by 10? 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2 the whole power 5. So if I multiply 0.2 5 times 2 power 5 is 32. We have here, right? 2 power 5 is 32. But there is 5 zeros, right? We are raising to the power 5. So we can write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. As I am multiplying, if I multiply 2 5 times, that is 32. I multiplied 0 5 times, there are 5 zeros. Now place your decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 0.4 zeros and 3 zeros and 3 2. Is it clear? Now I understood. That's it. Simple. See, again I am saying, more than we are sitting for a same method, concentrate on the concept. The Me and Math team is there to help you out. Please don't get worried. If you are not getting the answer, then you can say that. Okay. So the answer is 0.00032. Very good. Tanmay and Kritik got their answer at first, and I'm very happy to share you here. Very good, Tanmay. Very good, Kritik. Keep it up. Now, come on, my dear ones. Ma'am, my answer is correct. Yes, Tanmay, and yes, my dear Kritik, you both are right. That's it. You people are learning in very good manner. Don't get confused of decimals and fractions. It's very easy to learn. Okay. Okay, those who are clear with this problem, please put thumbs up. Yeah, very good. I got response from Prachi that it is clear. How about others? How about others? Please do register your answers so that we can move to the next question. Very good. Very good. Danshika, very happy to see. Those who are having any doubts, please don't hesitate. Come up with your doubts, and we, the Me and Math team, are there to help you out. Very good, Prachi. Very good. Very good. Great. So, hope it is clear. Now we can move to the next question. Which of the following is greatest? Which of the following is greatest? Very good, Arshab. Very good. Which of the following is greatest? Come on. Try by yourself. I want to say the greatest value. Which among these gives me the greatest value? Come on, my dear ones, give a try, give a try. Option A is root 7 plus root 3. Option B is 2 plus root 6. A, root 7 plus root 3. B, 2 plus root 6. C, root 5 plus root 5. D, root 2 plus root 8. Answer A. Okay, so everyone saying root 7 and root 3 have the greatest value. Okay, shall we check with our answers then? Are you people ready to check? So, coming to the square root, rather than finding a square root of 7 and 3, it is very easy to remove that square root, right? So that we will get a whole number and we can get to the answer. How we can get to the answer? First, I am taking A option, root 7 plus root 3, and I am squaring on both sides. Just to remove the square root, okay? Squaring on both sides. So, root 7 plus root 3, the whole square, which means this is an identity. A plus B, the whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So, root 7 the whole square plus root 3 the whole square plus 2 into root 7 into root 3. Which means root and square get cancelled 7. Root and square get cancelled, which is 3. Plus 2 into root A times root B is nothing but root AB. Which means here I can multiply the value. Root of 7 into 3, that is 10 plus 2 root 21. So you people were stating that 10 plus 2 root 21 is the greatest value. Okay, we can check with other answers also. As it is the greatest, we need to go for every option and then we need to check for the same. Right? 2 plus 6 the whole square. Again squaring on both sides. Okay? Squaring on both sides. 2 plus root 6 the whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. 4 plus 6 plus 4 root 6. That is 10 plus 4 root 6. Right? We cannot add these two terms as they are unlike. Why they are unlike? Because I have a squared number here. Which means I cannot add this 4 along with the 10. Now, coming to option C again. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 5 plus root 5 the whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Again, root and square get cancelled. Root and square get cancelled. And 2 into root 5 times 5. That is 10 plus 2 root 25. Root 25 is a perfect square. So 10 plus 2 into 5. 10 plus 10, that is 20. 10 plus 10, that is 20. Any doubts so far? Now, coming to option D again, squaring on both sides. Root 2 plus root 8 the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. A plus b plus 2 into root 16. 8 twos are 8 twos are 16. 16 is a perfect square. So 10 plus 2 into 4, that is 18. Alright? Now see, root 21. If you take 21, 21 lies between 16 and 25. Right? If we take this 21, this root 21 lies between this perfect squares of 16 and 25. Between this only 21 lies. Which means we can say it is something 4 point. Right? So 10 plus 2 into 4 point will be 18 point something. So we will get approximately 18 point something as our value. Root 6. Root 6 lies between 4 and 9. So again I will take 4 only because that is our least multiple. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Right? That will also be 4, 10 plus 4 into 2, 8 point something. Approximately we will get 18 point some values. Here the least value is 18. Then these two value. Here we have the whole value as 20. So 20 is the greatest among all number. 20 is the answer of root 5 plus root 5. So the right answer is root 5 plus root 5. Oh, yes, please use your words. We are a kids, right? We are kids. We do have class decorum. We are learning disciplines, right? The words we are using is the one which reflects our discipline. Okay, my dear ones, it's clear. Answer is C. Very good. Everyone came up with 7 is the greatest number, so 7 have the greatest value. It's okay. We are learning this for the first time, right? It happens. Okay, my dear ones. So, any doubts so far? Yes, option is C. Very good. Okay, come on. Those are learning this concept for a first time, please do make a note of it. Kindly please do make a note of it. If it is clear, give thumbs up in front of a chat. Come on, my dear ones. Yes, very good. I start receiving. Very good. Very good, Danshika. Those who wish to have a note on it, you can make a note of it. Very good. Clear. Clear. I got response from Danshika and Kritik. How about others? No. Very good. Now, coming to the next question. Simplify so that the square root gives you the whole value. What does the value says? Zero 0.2304, 0.1764. Okay? 0.2304, 0.1764. Numerator is plus, denominator is minus. Okay. Square root of 0.2304 plus square root of 0.1764. 1764 divided by square root of 0.2304 minus square root of 0.1764. Ayo, it's so big. Yeah, Tanmay, it's easy. Trust me. Okay, Me and math will give you the most simplest way to find the answer. Don't get worried, it's easy. Okay, now shall we start this question? Any doubts? Before moving to the question, if you people have any suggestions, you can come up with your suggestions. First, my hugest problem is to rewrite this in a decimals, right? I can rewrite the decimal into the fractions, right? As I said you, I gave you the easiest method, right? So, square root of 2304 divided by 1234. There are 4 zeros after the decimal, 4 numbers after the decimal point. So, I am adding 4 zeros to the denominator. Okay? Plus square root of 1764 divided by 1234 divided by square root of the same value 2304 divided by 1234 minus 1764 divided by 1234. Okay? If I find the square root of 2304 as the number ends in 4, what will be the value? What will be the value? We can find, right? 2304. 2 table 1 6 5 2. 2 table 8 2 6. 2 table 4 1 3. 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. 2304 1 6 5 2 8 2 6. Then 8 2 2's 4, balance 1 6. Okay, let me redo it. I think I missed with some number. It is 2304, right? 2304. Is it 2304? Okay. 2304. 2 table 1 1 5 2. 2 table 5 7 6. 2 table 2 8 8. 2 table again 1 4 4. 2 table 144 is the 12 square. We know that well. Okay. Ma'am, wait a sec. My answer is getting different. So it is 12 the answer. Okay, we can check with your answer. 2 table 72. 2 table 36. 2 table 18. 2 table 9. 3 table 3. 3 table 1. Right? See, first time if we are doing, no, it seems to be big. But if we find for one value, the whole will be done. Okay? So, similarly, 1764. 2 table, 8, 8, 2. 2 table, 4, 4, 1. 3 table, 1, 4, 7. 3 table, 4 3 is 12, remaining 2, 49. 7 table, 7. 7 table, 1. But I don't know who is that IZ boy MC. Can you please say your name? So, for each pair, we can take 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2 and 1, 3. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 1, 3 divided by, for 2 zeros 1 0, 2 zeros 1 0, 100. Okay. Now it is out of square root. Plus 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3 into 7 divided by 100. The whole divided by the denominator. The same value 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 divided by 100 minus 2 into 3 into 7 divided by 100. Okay. Arshab Gupta. Okay, okay. Arshab, at some instant you are using your ID and some instant you are getting other ID. No, that's why I am not getting you. Okay. So, 2 2's 4, 2's 8, 2's 16, 16 3's 48. 48 by 100 plus 7 3's 21 into 2, 42. 42 by 100 divided by the same 48 by 100 minus 42 by 100. 8 plus 2, 10. 90 divided by 100 divided by 48 minus 42, that is 6 divided by 100. Denominator of denominator, both 100 get cancelled. 90 divided by 6, answer is 15. Any doubts? Once we rewrote the decimal into fraction, you will be bit confident. Once the decimals also, once we rewrote the fractions by removing the square root, it will be much easier than you think. Okay, my dear ones. Any doubts so far? If you find any difficulties while answering this, please let me know. And I'm waiting for your response. Once you responded, we can move to the next question. Come on, observe the question. Have a quick recap of what we discussed, so that we can do one more question. Come on. No, ma'am. Thank you, Kritik. Is it clear? Ma'am, I'm getting 10. How, my dear one? I think you wrote 48 plus 42 as 100. Check with your number. 15. Very good. Very good. See, this is the way. When we are sitting for the learning, we should try that problem. Only then we will get to the answers. Okay, my dear ones? Very good. Very good. Start working, my dears. Don't feel that you are getting mistakes, so I will be very weak in this concept. No. We, the Me and Math team, is there to help you out. Come on, start working by yourself. Okay, very good. I got response from Kritik. How about others? Come on, dear ones. Come on. Ma'am, 15. Very good. Great. My kids are always special. 15, 15, 15. Yes, 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 it's 15. Ma'am, yes, I got it. Very good. Great. Great. So that's it. Meet you in next week. So what we discussed today is of squares and square roots. Okay, my dears. Have a great day. Meet you in the next week with the same topic with very good questions. Okay, my dears. Hope you enjoyed the session. Have a great day. Take care, everyone.